Hello, this is lecture number 3 for the chapter differential equation for the class 12. Now the next topic is to find the differential equation when some arbitrary constants are given in the equation. Now what you have to do to form a differential equation? If an equation contains only one arbitrary constant, then you have to eliminate it by differentiating only one time. And if any differential equation having two arbitrary constants, then you have to eliminate it by differentiating the equation by two times. So if an equation have only one arbitrary constant, then the order of the differential equation will be 1, and when the number of arbitrary constants of the given equation is 2, then the order of the differential equation formed will be 2. So let us take the question number 1. In this, we have x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Now you have to form a differential equation in where of this equation where we have a and b as the arbitrary constants. So because it have two arbitrary constants, so a and b will be eliminated by differentiating it two times. So differentiate it one time, you will get 1 upon a plus 1 upon b, y ka derivative dy dx equal to 0. So try to get this as minus b upon a. Now if you differentiate it again, right hand side is constant, it will be 0. So simply differentiating two times, a and b both are eliminated. So there is no fixed method how we have to eliminate the arbitrary constant, but one should be taking care of that. If only one arbitrary constant is there, then you have to differentiate it only one time to eliminate it, and when we have two arbitrary constant as we have in this, then both the arbitrary constant to be eliminated by differentiating it two times. So let us take another. We have y square is equal to a b square minus x square. So differentiate it once, 2y d by dx is equal to a, derivative of b square is 0 minus 2x. So it is coming out to be y is equal y d by dx is equal to minus ax. This is the first derivative. Now you can differentiate it again or by directly and find the value of a and put in the first, you will get this differential equation. So I'm differentiating it again. You have to use the product rule in this. First of all, I'm differentiating dy dx, which for that will be second derivative. Then I am differentiating dy, which will be dy dx, and the derivative of minus ax is minus a. You put it in the equation number 1, the value of minus a in 1, you will get a differential equation. So it will be y d by dx is equal to y second derivative. I am putting the value of this minus a here, d by dx ka whole square it is the whole square of d by dx into x. So this is the differential equation of this equation, y square is equal to a into b square minus x square. So this is the question number 2. Again, let us take the third. We have y is equal to e ki power 3x into a plus b e ki power minus 2x. So again we have two arbitrary constants. So first of all differentiate it. It will be 3a e ki power 3x, e ki power minus 2x derivative, e ki power minus 2x into minus 2. Again you can differentiate it. Second derivative, it will be e ki power 3x into 3, 9 e ki power 3x, e ki power minus 2x into minus 2, that is plus 4 b e ki power minus 2x. Now what can you do? You can simplify these two equations simultaneously, solve it and get the value of a and b and put it here. That will be the one method. Now I am arranging it so that this a and b can be eliminated. See it very carefully. I am writing it as 6a e की power 3x plus 6b e की power minus 2x. In place of 9 I have written 6, so it will be 3a e की power 3x. Now in place of minus 2, in place of this minus 2 I have written, in place of 4 I have written 6. I have written 6. So to have same this, rather I am writing like this, it will be minus 2b e की power minus 2x. 6 minus 2 will be 4. Now if you see it very carefully, this is y, 6 times y. See it very carefully. This a e की power 3x, b e की power minus 2x. It is 6y. And if you see it, it is the d by dx. This is equal to this. So second derivative is equal to 6y plus d by dx. Simple, eliminated a and b both, and I have differentiated it 2 times there. The second derivative is equal to 6y plus d by dx. So this is the way you can differentiate it. Other way is you can solve these two equations simultaneously to get the value of a and b and put it here. You will again get this. So like this we can eliminate the two arbitrary constant, differentiating it 2 times. So fourth is y is equal to e की power 2x a plus bx. Again we have two arbitrary constant. So first derivative is, I have to use the product rule. E की power 2x का derivative e की power 2x into 2, and derivative of this a plus bx is b, and in place of this you can write y, 2y plus b e की power 2x. Again we have one arbitrary constant is still there. So what can you do? You can differentiate it again, is equal to 2 d by dx, and derivative of e की power 2x is e की power 2x into 2, and you can replace the value of this from this. Either you find the value of b e की power 2x and put it here, or find the value of b e की power 2x, which is first derivative minus 2y, and put it here. So the b will also be eliminated. So this is 2 first derivative plus 2, it is d by dx minus 2y. Open the bracket and simplify as far as possible. So this is the differential equation for the question number 4. Now again this question number 5 is just same as question number 4, e की power x a cos x plus b sin x. Again you have to use the product rule when you have to differentiate both sides. First of all I have differentiated e की power x, then I am differentiating the bracket will be derivative of a cos x is minus a sin x plus b cos x. In place of this I can write y, it is equal to y plus e की power x minus a sin x plus b cos x. Now again differentiated, second derivative in the left hand side, second derivative in the left hand side, here differentiated, it is first derivative. Again you have to use the product rule. I have differentiated first of all this e की power x a sin x plus b cos x and e की power x, and this will be derivative of this minus का a cos x minus का b sin x. Now if you see it very carefully, now the value of this will be d by dx minus y. dy dx minus y. I'm trying to eliminate a and b. So the value of this circle is dy dx minus y, and if I take minus common here, a cos x plus b sin x, and this is equal to, if you say it carefully, this is equal to y. ये हमें दे रखा है y के equal this. So like this, both the a and b has been eliminated. So it coming out to be 2 dy dx minus y, and this is minus y. This is also y. So this is 2 dy dx and minus 2y. So like this, the a and b both eliminated. So second derivative is equal to 2 dy dx minus y is the differential equation of the question number 5. So in this question number 1 to 5, the equation is already given. But from question number 6 onwards, the equation is not given. So family of curves is given, and you have to write the formula for the family of curves for those question number 6 to 10. Now in question number 6, you have to form a differential equation of a family of the circle touching the y-axis at the origin. Now the family of circle touching the y-axis at the origin, touching the y-axis at the origin only, like this you can draw. Like this, it will be like this. So when the circle is passing through the origin or touching the y-axis at the origin only, then its center will lie on the x-axis, and let the radius of the circle be r. Then the coordinate of the center be r0. So the equation of circle is x minus r का whole square plus y minus 0 का whole square is equal to r square. Let the radius of the circle be r. You have to let it. तो इस तरह से इसका ये आ जाएगा. The radius, the center can be minus r plus 0. तो ये plus भी आ सकता है. So it will be, if you differentiate it, rather I am simplifying it. Why? Because there are 3 r's here, so it will be cancelled out. So we have only one arbitrary constant r. So differentiate it, minus 2r, 2y dy dx equal to 0, and find the value of r. Derivative of y square is 2y dy dx. It will be y dy dx equal to r, and you can put this value of r in first equation. यहाँ पर रख दीजिए, r will be eliminated. So this is how you can eliminate this r in the equation to form a differential equation. In this we have only one arbitrary constant. You have to let it here, let the radius of the circle be r. Now in question number 7, you have to form a differential equation of family of parabola having the vertex at the origin and axis along the y-axis, like this. It can be like this also. So equation of parabola when the axis is along the y-axis is, you know it, this is x square is equal to 4ay. When the parabola is symmetrical along the y-axis, then the equation of the parabola is x square is equal to 4ay, and here we have only one arbitrary constant, that is a. So 2x is equal to 4a d by dx. You can easily find the value of a as x upon d by dx, and you can put in the equation number 1, and the a will be eliminated, and you will get the equation of differential equation for this family of parabolas. You can have minus a here, तो उसी तरह से minus a. In question number 8, we have a family of ellipse. Focus on the y-axis. Like this. Find the differential equation of the family of the ellipse having the focus on the y-axis. Yeah. Now the equation of the ellipse whose focus on the y-axis is, I think you know the equation of this ellipse is x square upon b square plus y square upon a square is equal to 1. ये होता है where a is always greater than b. Now you can differentiate it. 2x upon b square plus 2y upon a square d by dx equal to 0. So d by dx, see it carefully, is equal to 2x upon b square. Minus का sign is there. So it will be b square upon a square d by dx. Rather, I'll take the constant on the right hand side. Y upon x, second derivative. 2 से 2 will be cancelled out. It will be a square upon b square. The same as I have done in the question number 1 of this exercise. Now differentiate it again. ये तो 0 हो जाएगा. Both are eliminated. See the derivative of this. See it very carefully. You have to use the product rule. Y upon x. सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव, पहले मैंने डी बाई डी एक्स का डेरिवेटिव कर लिया है. अब मैं इसका डेरिवेटिव करूंगा किसका, y अपॉन एक्स, एंड विच विल बी डिफरेंशिएटेड बाय यूजिंग द कोशेंट रूल. द स्क्वायर ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर डेरिवेटिव ऑफ द न्यूमरेटर माइनस न्यूमरेटर डेरिवेटिव ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर. सी दिस वेरी केयरफुली. द प्रोडक्ट रूल इसमें यूज होगा. पहले मैंने y अपॉन एक्स को लिख करके सेकंड डेरिवेटिव लिख लिया, फिर डी वाई डी एक्स को लिख करके मैंने y अपॉन एक्स का डेरिवेटिव कर लिया by using the quotient rule, and both a and b has been eliminated. You can simplify this as far as possible to get a differential equation. Similarly is the question number 9. In place of ellipse we have the hyperbola, and the hyperbola, the equation of the hyperbola where the focus is on the x-axis is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1, and you will simplify as we have done in question number 8. वहाँ पर प्लस का साइन था तो राइट हैंड साइड में नेगेटिव हो गया था, यहाँ माइनस तो राइट हैंड साइड जाके प्लस हो जाएगा. करने का तरीका इज सेम. नाउ इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 वी हैव form a differential family of the circle with the center at the y axis and the radius as 3. तो सेंटर अगर y axis पर है तो उसका सेंटर आपका 0b होगा. If the center lie on the x-axis, then its y-axis, then its x coordinate will be 0. So let the coordinate of center be 0b. तो equation of circle is x minus 0 का whole square, y minus b का whole square is equal to radius square. Equation of circle with the center AB is x minus a का whole square, y minus b का whole square is equal to 3 square. a यहाँ पर 0 है. तो ये आपके पास ओनली वन आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट इज देयर. तो इट विल बी 2x 2y, पहले पावर का डेरिवेटिव होता है 2y डी बाई डी एक्स, वाई माइनस बी का डेरिवेटिव इक्वल टू 0. तो यहां पर आप y माइनस बी की डायरेक्ट वैल्यू निकालिए लाइक दिस. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ y माइनस बी एंड पुट इट इन द इक्वेशन नंबर 1. यहाँ रख दीजिए. पूरे y माइनस बी की जगह पूरा एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा b. थोड़ा सा ये सिंप्लीफाई हो रहा है आपका, माइनस ही आएगा ये, माइनस 2x अपॉन दिस. तो दिस इज द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन फॉर दिस इक्वेशन ऑफ द सर्कल विद द सेंटर लाई ऑन द y एक्सिस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 थोड़ा सा इजी क्वेश्चन है. आपके पास y इज इक्वल टू c1 e की पावर x प्लस c2 e की पावर माइनस x है. तो ये किसका डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, 4 ऑप्शन दे रखे हैं तो फाइंड करिए डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन सीधा. इसमें दो आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट है तो पहले एक बार डेरिवेटिव करा, e की पावर माइनस एक्स का डेरिवेटिव e की पावर माइनस एक्स इंटू माइनस, एक बार और डेरिवेटिव कर लीजिए क्योंकि दो आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट e की पावर x का e की पावर x आएगा, e की पावर माइनस x का e की पावर माइनस एक्स इंटू माइनस 1 तो प्लस c2. और अगर ये ध्यान से देखें ये y के इक्वल है तो इट इज इक्वल टू y. दिस इज इक्वल टू y. So this is the differential equation. This is the second option. Now in question number 12, you can do it easily. 4 equations are given. You have to find why x is which of the following 4 differential equation is the particular solution. You find the first derivative, you find the second derivative, and put in the first part, in the second part, in the third part, in the fourth part, which will satisfy the any one of these 4 will be the solution, particular solution of this given equation. You find first derivative, you find second derivative, and put in first part, second part, which will be satisfied will be the particular solution of the given equation. Okay, this is the third equation in which you have to find the differential equation. Thank you.